I feel like calling a quorum, but I won't. But I feel like calling a quorum.
Minister Alan Kelly, you have 10 minutes.
Thank you, Cathaoirleach, and it's great to see such a large crowd here today. I feel like calling a quorum, but I won't. But I feel like calling a quorum. This is probably the most important issue facing us in the world, and not one single representative is inside in the chamber. It's incredible. I'm sure you'll agree, and something you may wish to speak to people about. So I find it deeply ironic that this House is debating climate change today, as reports have come through last night regarding a deal to support a minority government. But there was one major issue missing from the text of the documents. And again, like the response we have here to this debate with nobody actually turning up, the major issue missing from this now infamous document is actually climate change. It's not in it. The global cause of our generation is missing from this famous document. To me, that demonstrates in particular that Fine Gael, the co-conspirators in this no-confidence agreement with Fine Gael, have absolutely no global focus, no environmental focus, and that the poorest of the poor throughout the world, who are suffering most from the effects of climate change, are absolutely nowhere on Fine Gael's radar. And this illustrates it all here right now. Which will be one of the single most significant carbon reduction initiatives for which the state has direct responsibility.